Hi, I'm Daniel Bauer. I'm at Lakmé Fashion Week. I'm here with a fabulous...
Hello! So happy to see you. Hey guys, this is Mrunal Thakur and tonight I will be working for my most favorite designer, Rajesh Pratap Singh. And I'm super excited for Daniel to create this lovely look. What is it going to be? Is it a surprise?
It's a surprise. It's a big surprise.
Shall we start?
Yes, let's do this. So as you can see, Mrunal's skin is glowing already, and for a nice dewy foundation, you need a good primer. So I prepped her skin with a vitamin C plus serum from Lakmé, which looks like this. And I'm going to be going in now with the highlighter first on the high points, the cheekbones, which I want to highlight.
Oh wow.
So I'm going directly on the cheekbone, blending it a little bit in.
Tap, tap.
Tap, tap, tap. These are the high points. So I'm going to use the Skin Dew foundation from Lakmé.
This is my new favorite product. It's
Really
like
nice finish.
dewy, refreshing. And it's so nice to have like a serum and a foundation together.
Yeah.
You don't have to apply like two separate products. It's just like two in one.
Yep.
Like I've totally surrendered myself to Daniel and I'm like, listen, just go for it.
So now I'm going to the Lakmé Absolute Spotlight, and I'm going to be using, look, I can't show. I'm going to be using these two colors. Mix them all together.
What is this surprise? Are you using metallic colors?
Come on!
Daniel, I've realized like every day, I just like look forward to getting ready.
Can you guess what colors?
I think it's like black smoky. Is it?
Maybe. I'm going to actually now reveal the look. So I'm going to be doing a smoky eye, like you said, because we're going for a dramatic look. But
I told you.
Normally you don't go.
Also because tonight is like the night.
It's a dramatic
It's a dramatic
We
night.
have to be dramatic.
Yes.
And most importantly for smoky eyes is the kohl. I'm using the Eyeconic, and you tightline the eye and also the waterline. So we start with the top. If you're looking down, you're really trying to see the look. The pro tip, especially for smoky eyes, in general, if smoky or not smoky, always curl your lashes before mascara. It opens up the eyes, it's really important. It makes your eye look much bigger. Most important step. And for dramatic eyes, we're gonna use the Dramatic Eye Mascara.
Flutter secrets.
You know it. Wow.
It just opens my eyes and creates
so
the
much
drama.
volume.
Oh yeah. You know, my friends always make fun of me whenever I apply mascara. I end up pouting in a very weird way. Like,
Everybody does it actually.
Yeah.
Everybody does.
there's actually this challenge where, you know, my girls from college, they are like, listen, we dare you to do your mascara without pouting and making weird faces. And it was so difficult because it's like
Couldn't.
so involuntary. Yeah?
So I'm going to use an eyebrow pencil. First, comes with a brush. And brush eyebrows up, and then we're going to draw them in.
I think this is Daniel's favorite. Every time he'll use his brush, he'll go like... It's like he's having conversation with the eyes, with the eyeshadow,
with the eyebrow.
with the brush.
And to complete this look, I'm not going to show Muna, I'm going to show you. Otherwise you won't let me do it.
I know what it is. It's wine and dine. My ears are very sharp, Daniel. I know what's your next move.
Wine and dine. So that liquid lipstick is super matte, it's long lasting, but it's really easy to apply. It just goes on very smoothly. So really, it's one of my favorites and stays forever. I can't talk and do.
Pro tip. Girls who are wearing...
Don't talk and do your lips.
Don't talk. I'm itching to talk.
You can think it. Let's do the rest with the lip pencil. Finishing touches, and that's the look.
Whoa, love it, love it. I love the bold mouth, and it's a wine and dine lip color.
Wine and
which
dine.
I think this is the best occasion to wear it. Finale it is, and the look has to be grand, so thank you, Daniel.
Can't wait.
Yay! Can't wait to be on the runway.